today, I'll actually show you our brand new AIO cooler from Thermaltake, which is our revised Water 3.0 ARGB cooler. So let's have a look. So today we've actually got the Water 3.0 360 edition. So it has three 120mm pure ARGB fans. So these are actually specifically designed to be static pressure. So what that means essentially in English is that they pull in air from outside the case through thinner gaps and actually draw it through the radiator itself, cooling the liquid inside. So it's actually much more efficient in those tighter, smaller chassis. We've redesigned the Water 3.0 this time around. So for the ARGB edition, we've gone for a much slimmer radiator design, allowing you to fit into more tighter spaced cases, essentially giving you more options in terms of which case variant you have personally. For the tubing, we've actually opted for a higher quality rubber this time around, allowing for much added flex and bending. So when you're filling it around those tight corners in installation, you won't have any issues or worries in terms of punctures, leaks, or anything like that. We've gone ahead and pre-applied the thermal paste to the actual water block as well, meaning you won't have to worry about adding too much or too little thermal paste into the actual copper head itself. So you'll have full optimization when it comes to actual cooling. Each Water 3.0 includes brackets that are compatible with both AMD and Intel, supporting all the way up to AM4 for AMD and LGA 2066 for Intel. For the top of the water block itself, we redesigned the water block to show the modern Thermaltake logo that you guys seem to love, as well as adding an RGB element to the water block so you can actually control the lighting and the lighting effects as well, which is pretty neat. So it wouldn't be a product from us if we didn't include some sweet RGB lighting. With the Water 3.0, we've included some 5-volt headers on each of the 3 fans that plug directly into your motherboard. This allows you to use your own motherboard's proprietary software to control all the lighting effects and colors that the fans provide. However, if your motherboard isn't compatible with 5-volt headers, don't worry, we've included an ARGB controller allowing you to make the same adjustments as the software does.